खराबी पड़ी
मैंने एक सेकंड
क्या बात है यहाँ पे
चलो बाइट सब
गर्मी गर्मी आप लोग ये सब मुश्किल मतलब शादी के लिए करते हैं लेकिन आज हम एक ब्याह के लिए करते हैं
थैंक यू
ऑन योर लेफ्ट थैंक यू स्टार्ट कर ऑन योर लेफ्ट थैंक यू
धन्यवाद
सारा भाई साहब This is Alice. This is Manish. She's the owner. Done, guys? Thank you. गर्मी है ना
तो लाइट से लाइट ऊपर मारा अरे तो
क्या
लाइट ये बंद करा था ना ये हेलो भाई भाई बीच में भाई क्या कर रहे हो थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू
quiet. You have to do the batting.
should start playing cricket.
I should start playing cricket now. Naira, you looking so beautiful. क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस dress को लेकर? नई dress है. So I selected this because I have a liking for gold and champagne and silver and white colors. So मुझे ये बहुत पसंद आया and I'm like मैं ये पहन जाऊंगी अब. What do you guys मेरे तो फोन में ही 4% Hi Naira. I'm gonna ask you one question. So I think that's how it goes. Hi, so I'm here with Naira and I'm gonna ask her a question. If you have to describe your Jia outfit in one word, what would it be? It's quite like a jumpery feeling. I like your fit. It's easy, it's comfortable, it's light, and I think it's absolutely stunning. Naira, some little.
Hi ma'am, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, guys.
So how do you feel today?
Definitely, I am coming for a launch of a new collection of Jia, and I have seen their pieces. बहुत ही pretty vibes देते हैं, and as you can see, I'm also wearing their creation. I loved everything about this outfit, and thank God I'm wearing it. So, how do you like it?
It's really stunning. I mean, this color really suits you. So we have seen Manish sir has really outdid himself. आपने बोला आपने सब pieces देखे थे.
Yes.
So what made you choose this one? For
To be honest, definitely the launch is there. Also, I have a soft corner for this baby pink, rose pink color, and it really enhances my look. Also, the blouse and the whole fall of this outfit was really getting, I was really getting attracted to it. तो और ये perfect bridesmaid outfit है. अगर सोचो, you can wear this for your friend's wedding also, और संगीत also. I think it is perfect for a lot of occasions for a woman.
so one word in which you would like to describe Manish sir's work. I mean, he has really outdid himself as we can see.
I think it would be really aesthetic. Like in the ethnic area, he's really aesthetic. That's what I'll say.
Thank you so
much.
much. Hi ma'am.
Hi,
sir. How
hi.
are you guys doing? You both
What a
look
talent, yeah. Four mics.
we need it. You both look absolutely stunning. How
Thank
are
you
feeling
so
in
much.
the outfit?
Very beautiful, hot for sure,
She
but
people are going to say I'm feeling really hot, but it's very nice. It
Yeah.
feels nice to be dressed in ethnic wear. Always
Yes.
a good thing.
yes.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, how will you describe Manish sir's work? He has really outdid himself.
I think intricate is one word that I would use.
Definitely, that's what
look
even
at
I
all-
was gonna
कारीगरी
say.
बहुत अच्छी है, मतलब आप देख सकते हैं और visible है, and complimenting also.
Also, I feel the range that he covers is absolutely stunning. Even though it seems like it is desi, honestly, I could wear most of the outfits for most occasions. You know what I mean? It's a beautiful range. I think he really brings that Indian touch, but makes it global as well. So,
Like Indo-Western vibe.
Yes,
if you would describe
absolutely,
it.
absolutely.
And I think with the guys, he's kept it pretty authentic. I think it is very Indian, but also it's something that I think the way he makes it sit is very comfortable.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
And
very comfortable.
What made you choose this color? I mean, whole black is really going with your vibe. And
That's
because
his.
green.
He
That's
will
it.
always
I was
choose
with
black. अगर आप
दिल ही
option
काला
देते
है
हैं-
तो बाहर से और क्या दिखाऊं?
नहीं, I think black या white. He's all about classic. तो उसका वही है.
And what about you, ma'am? Why this color?
Honestly, I love the kind of the flow of the look. I don't usually wear this blue-green kind of a color, so I decided to do something different today. And I just love the way it looked on me. I feel like twirling when I wear it. So yeah, I found it very comfortable and nice.
I think it's a reflection of her mood because you have a little daughter. Blue is a very angelic color, so
Aww.
Wow, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How are you guys doing?
Good,
Really good.
So how does it feel to be here?
nice. It feels good to dress up and
Yeah, exactly. About the dress, it's really glittery
Yeah.
and shimmering. So, like,
Yeah.
what made you decide this dress for tonight?
See, I picked up this. I love the color. I love the work. Usually, I would wear this on a reception because it's really nice. I didn't want to just waste it.
Yeah, exactly.
But apparently there's a fashion show happening here
Yeah.
and all these outfits are just gorgeous. So we couldn't help but wear
So,
these.
how would you like to describe Manisha's work? Like you're wearing it right now.
I love this. I mean, look, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It's beautiful, it's intricate, and everything is just like very, very fairy-like.
तो वाओ, आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगी सारा एंड एलेक्स कि इस कपड़े में कितना कंफर्टेबल फील कर रहे हैं. अगर वेडिंग सीजन में अगर अटेंड करने का मौका मिले तो क्या कुछ कैरी करना चाहेंगे ऐसे कुछ?
Definitely, yes. I think I was just telling her on call that, for an engagement or something, I would definitely want to wear something like that. And this is, I love pastel colors, I love soft colors, and I love soft work. So it's beautiful.
I would definitely. This is the wedding scene for me. मतलब I love the way it glitters as well. It's not too much, एकदम loud भी नहीं आपके मुंह पे, but it's nice. Like I like this. Yeah.
सारा जैसे कि हम जानते हैं आप वेकेशन के लिए काफ़ी जाने जाते हैं. समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो चुका है तो क्या कुछ प्लानिंग चल रहा है? क्योंकि नायरा भी अंदर है, आप तीनों हमेशा एक साथ रहते हैं, तो क्या कुछ प्लानिंग है अनदर जगह?
Honestly बात बोलूँ, मेरा पूरा plan set था टर्की जाने के लिए.
वाओ,
So I and my family, most of us, we don't even need visa. But what happened? I mean, I've just put everything on hold now for some time.
बट आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगी समर में कहाँ जाना घूमना पसंद है आप दोनों को?
We can definitely brainstorm.
Again, it was Turkey for me, then Kashmir for me, but it's a,
कश्मीर का इस समय चल रहे हैं. बट जिस तरीके से गवर्नमेंट ने रिएक्ट किया है वो काफ़ी हद तक अभी सही है.
Yeah.
इतना भी खतरे नहीं है
Yes,
वहाँ पर कि
yeah,
इंडियन
yes.
टूर जा ना सके.
but I think I'll explore more of Vietnam
राइट.
and Cambodia maybe.
Yeah.
एंड लास्टली क्या कुछ अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट है जो बहुत जल्द हमें देखने को
जो बहुत जल्द आपको पता चल ही जाएगा.
मिलेगा? बट क्या कुछ है थोड़ा बहुत हिंट?
चल धीरे धीरे हिंट मिलेगा और पता चल जाएगा.
Yeah, कुछ ना कुछ तो आएगा ही.
थैंक यू.
Selection phase है. Which one?
Yeah.
थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
So, I'm good. How does it feel to be here?
Feels good. I love what I'm wearing.
Yeah,
Creation
exactly.
by
Can you
them, by
describe
Jia.
your outfit? Like, how
So I wanted to wear something blingy yet easy to wear. That's why our lehenga is so light. It's very easy to carry, and I love the look. What do you think?
So I love it. You look absolutely stunning, and I mean, Western में हमेशा we women we look for
Yeah.
something stunning but also easy to carry. So
But I
is it
think जो
giving the
Indian
vibe?
काम कर सकता है वो Western नहीं कर सकता.
Exactly. So is it giving the vibe? I mean, it's glittery, it's shiny.
Yeah, it's exactly what they are. Sparkly and beautiful.
Yeah. So like, can you describe Manisha's work? Like you're wearing it right now. How will you describe it in like a couple of words?
I think it's very wearable now that the wedding season is also coming.
exactly.
It's for your cocktails. You could wear this for like a lovely reception and also maybe like a bridesmaid look.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
I think it's really wearable and totally for the wedding season.
And this also gives Indo-Western and
It
it's
does.
not too
It does.
heavy.
That's
Yeah,
why like a nice
exactly.
sangeet cocktail, and it's really light and easy to even dance with if you want to like perform
Perfect
in
for
it.
the wedding season,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
First of all, you look absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
So, what was your decision to choose this color?
So I like very very light colors. It makes me feel very light. Also the material is very light. It's champagne. It's palazzo. It's easy to carry. It's not difficult. हवा भी घुस रहा है यहाँ वहाँ से. Plus it has a very mermaidish feeling because of the frills and because of the color. So I thought that this would suit me pretty well.
So, how would you like to describe Manisha's work? I mean, he's a founder. He have designed these dresses so well.
I think he's got really very very pretty outfits. I really like the golden one, I like this one for an easy evening. Very well done.
नायरा, इस समय वेडिंग सीजन चल रही है, तो आई नो आप अपने फ्रेंड एंड कलीग के वेडिंग में अटेंड करते होंगे, बट आपसे जानना चाहूँगी स्पेशली जब इस टाइम पे कैसे ड्रेसेस पसंद है आपको?
कसम से विद द हीट, जिस लेवल का पसीना आता है हमें और मेकअप पहन के तो और ज़्यादा पसीना आता है. I would really like to go for something. My personal style will be a nice diamond studded blouse, a halter neck one, and golden color या champagne color या pearl color, unicorn colors की साड़ी, which will fit on my body very well, which will not give me sweat क्योंकि वो बहुत हल्का फुल्का होगा, and at the same time the colors are very nice. It's very appealable. So I would go for something like that.
नायरा, जैसे मैंने कहा वेडिंग सीजन चल रही है और मैं 1 महीने बाद आ रही हूँ जॉब पे रिटर्न, तो मैं ये सवाल आई थिंक अब तक नहीं किया होगा कोई ने, मैं करती हूँ, आप कभी शादी करने वाले हो?
यार कोई ढंग का लड़का मिले तो शादी करूँ ना. आजकल इतने प्रॉब्लम्स है लड़कों को लाइफ में. You know, वो रील्स देखते हो ना कि oh I'm entering into 2025 with boom 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 this नहीं है not this करके. तो जो मैं वही सोच रही हूँ, आजकल अच्छे लड़के जिंदा भी हैं, बच्चे भी हैं या नहीं है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. जब पता चलेगा I'll surely get married.
ओके, लास्टली जानना चाहूँगी अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट क्या है जो बहुत जल्द हमें देखने को मिलेगा?
एक इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट आ रही है, अगस्त में रिलीज़ है उसकी, एंड बाकी आई एम फिगरिंग समथिंग नाइस.
वाओ, एजाज से अभी आपने मिला, एजाज से इससे पहले मैंने इंटरव्यू किया, एजाज थोड़े मुझ पे नहीं बट इन केसेस जो इनके नाम को लेकर गूगल्स पे सोशल मीडिया पे जो जाते हैं, स्पेशली जब एजाज खान सर्च करें तो इनका पिक ज़्यादा आता है क्योंकि लाइफ में इन्होंने जितना अचीव किया आई थिंक किसी ने इतना नहीं किया. तो उनके नाम को लेकर काफ़ी लोग इंडस्ट्री में सेम नाम के हैं बट कहीं ना कहीं इनका नाम वहाँ पर यूज़ होता है. तो आपका क्या टेक ऑन है जो एजाज इस समय फील कर रहे हैं और चीज़ें जैसे बोल के गए उन्होंने?
I think it's very sad because Ijaz is a great name. And that's the reason it's very popular also, and that's the reason a lot of people want to use that name. So ये तो part and parcel of the problem है, can't help it. But all the best to him for having the strength to deal with it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.